Good morning, class 3. So today in the welcome back module we'll be doing comprehension. Okay, Pushpanjali ma'am is going to read a paragraph, and based on that paragraph few questions will be there which we need to answer. And to answer those questions correctly, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to listen to ma'am carefully and understand this passage. Okay, when she was young, Madame C.J. Walker's hair began falling out. She tried a lot of remedies, but none helped. So, this passage is regarding Madame C.J. Walker, who had the hair fall problem. And she tried so many remedies, so many different methods to prevent this hair fall, but no method helped her out. Okay, so she invented her own mixture. And it worked. Soon after, she decided to start her own hair care business. Wonderful to know now that earlier she was suffering from hair fall problem, and then because none of the remedies, none of the preventions, they worked, so she tried her own mixture and it really worked. So soon she had an idea to convert it into a business. Fine, hair care business. At first, she sold her products door to door. Like she used to move from one place to another place, one house to another house, and she used to sell her hair care products. Fine. Then she began selling products by mail. Fine. Whatever the order was, she used to mail the order. She used to mail the products to at that address. Madame Walker set up factories and opened beauty parlors in many cities. She also started training schools for her workers. So see, with such a small thing, that because she was suffering from the hair fall problem and she had tried so many remedies and so many preventions, but still none of the remedy helped her out, she tried her own mixture, and see the miracle, see the beauty of it, that it really worked. Then she had an idea that why not convert it into a business. Wonderful now. She wanted to convert it into a business, hair care business. And so at first she used to sell the product door to door. She used to move from one place to another place. She used to move from one house to another house, and then she used to sell the product. Then when the products became famous, she started mailing those products also. Then she set up so many factories and so many parlors and she also started her training schools. So we can see and we can understand that with such a small thing, with a good idea, when you have a good idea and when you have a good mindset, you can start up any business, anything. You can start up anything if that particular thing is there in your heart, that yes, I want the remedy of this, I want to solve my problem. She had the problem, she found out the solution, and now she turned it into a wonderful business. Okay, by the time of her death in 1919, so she died in the year 1919, 25,000 women worked for Madame Walker. Imagine, a single lady, and how many workers were working under her? 25,000. In the year 1919, before that, she died in 1919. By that time, 25,000. So it means a lot, dear children. It means a lot. Right? She was first black female millionaire. Much of her wealth went to help others. So she was having a beautiful heart, that she wanted to help others, and much of her wealth, whatever she earned, her wealth went to help the poor, went to help the other people. So it was a wonderful passage. So based on this passage, beta, we'll be doing the question answers. Fine. I'll be uploading it in the assignment section. Till then, bye bye.